Let me show you what over 40 years of excellent craftsmanship will get you. And ProCraft Homes bringing you upgraded black windows. Linsey, bringing you semi-custom homes at market-leading prices with oversized side-load garages and even backup pads. Construction, bringing you functional floor plans with all of your bedrooms upstairs. Bringing you our best-selling ranch with 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. Give us a call to take advantage of great incentives down here at Edgerton Farms in Pikeville, North Carolina on existing product, or build it your way on one of these vacant lots.